To check the function of the physical button on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under additional care section, tap diagnostic. Under phone section, tap phone diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. Now tap button and then follow the on-screen instruction to start checking the function of the physical button. Once done, your phone will show you the result based on the test you have just done. As you can see, the function of the physical button, which are volume up button, volume down button, and the side button on this phone are all normal. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.